Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to backup Facebook photos. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. First of all, open your Facebook, then click here, Settings and Privacy. Your Facebook information, downloaded information. Scroll down and here we can see all the option is selected now. So we need to delete all this option. So click on the select all and from here you have to select only post. So click on this post here and the post is selected now. Facebook remove the photos and video option from here. You cannot find photos and videos or option from this list, so you have to select this post. Then scroll up and here you can select your time range. So I am selecting last week and here media quality high and format selected stable. Now click on a create file. A copy of your information is being created. To see this file, click on available copies and here we can see our new copies is pending now. It will take some time to finish. Here we can see this file is completed now, and after completing you will get a notification from Facebook. Your Facebook information file is ready to download it, and now from here we can delete your profile. Also can download from this download button. So I am clicking on download and here you have to put your Facebook password. So I am giving my Facebook password here and I click on submit. Extracted the file and open it and then you will find your all the photos here. So this is the way how you can backup Facebook photos. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.